Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's day 8 today. We have not done much at all. We're still at the apartment, but I do want to show you my haul from the Suzuki Jimny shop, Thailand. Here is what we got from the Jimny shop. We did get a few freebies included, but all of this for the Jimnys. And then I also bought this bag, which that makes it look huge. It is quite big. It's an Apio canvas bag, and it's got a zip to open it, and then it comes with a strap, and this sticker is what came with it. How much do you think all of these bits would have cost? Obviously there were a few freebies, but even if you want to just guess how much the bag cost, drop a comment below and it'd just be interesting to see. Their life depends on that rope. How mad. What's shopping again? Let's see what we can get.
Well, when they first come out, I did like them.
What's just happened?
Got the fake bag. Not a bag, but got the bag. That's fake. But the bag, I've not bought a bag, but I've secured the bag. But it's fake.
How much?
Like 400 quid.
We've just been to MBK and Harry's finally got his watch, and now we are in a tuk-tuk on our way back home.
In the rain.
Yeah, in the rain. Here it is. So tell me, how do you know if it's good quality or not?
Bezel, nice and tight, nice and clicky. We've got to make sure the numbers, mainly the 2s and the 4s, are usually what they catch you out with, and the date wheel. I'm not going to change the date because it's the right date. It is the 8th? I think it's the right date. But yeah, that should be not engraved, but like marked almost. The shine of the stainless steel. It uses 904L stainless steel, so it gives it that shine rather than a dull finish. The date, you can't really see the Cyclops, but the Cyclops magnifies in a certain light. It's got Rolex engravings all the way around, so yeah, the X is on the hour marker there, and it is all the way until 6 o'clock, so that's good. Yeah, just the overall finish, like everything's tight, there's no sort of wobbles. Like on a couple of the other models, the clasp, this bit in particular, felt just very loose, and it's tight, there's no play in it. Yeah, I would adjust the time to show you, but it's the right time. But that is 20 grand watch, believe it or not, for £400. So it's got the genuine 3135 movement. It has genuine 904L stainless steel. It needs tightening up because he's not tightened it properly. The silly bugger. Genuine sapphire crystal, so it's scratch proof crystal, ceramic bezel. Lovely.